Welcome to the Team Corrali one-page manual video series. For best results, download the PDF file from the link below before watching.
Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to reassemble the upper arm. But before you watch this video, check this one. It will tell you all of the basic information about how to work on this car. Before we move to step number 1, remember to disassemble the front steering knuckle. But you don't have to do it all the way. It's enough to only take the upper pivot ball from the upper arm. Of course we will do only one side, and the second side is done exactly the same. When this is done, as you can see, only the upper pivot ball is necessary to remove to free the upper arm. We can move to step number 1. Now we will take this pin from the top. It's secured by the set screw at the back, so lose it up a little bit and then take it all off. Don't forget to take the caster spacer. So now you have your arm in the hand, and it's time to move to step number 2. In this step we will remove the aerial kit from it. It's simply held by these 2 screws and 2 nuts on the bottom. Step number 3. Super simple, take the collar out and you have this assembled arm in your hand. Of course this collar can be glued back in. It will increase the durability a little bit, but remember, after you do it you will need to replace 2 parts. So if you want to assemble it back again, just reverse the steps. So that will be it. That's how you reassemble the front upper arm. As you can see, it is not very difficult task. Just remember this pivot ball comes out very hard. It's intended to do it like this because you want this suspension to fall apart during driving. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel to see more of the videos like it. And of course follow Team Corrali on social media at Facebook and Instagram. If you want to ask us any question, please contact us via support.corrali.com, and of course visit world.corrali.com to check the showroom of this car and every car in our lineup. Thank you guys for watching, have fun!
Team Corrali, engineered to be the fastest.